Hello everyone, it's Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So the third most important tip that I'm going to give you today is backups. Backups is your last resort. It should not be considered your first resort. It is very, very important to have good quality backups. Number one, you need to make sure that these backups are checked. Make sure they're working, make sure they're actually backing up data and verifying that they're backing up data. If you have a server, it's very important to have a full image backup with a cloud solution that allows you to boot into the cloud for the best disaster recovery possible. You see, file-based backups are not good enough for a server anymore. They're fine for home-based PCs, but when it comes to servers, you need an image-based backup, preferably imaging every single hour, and then sending to a cloud offsite once a day for disaster recovery. File-based backups can lead to a lot of downtime for servers. If this is the only type of backup you have on your server and you go down, you could spend a week, 2 weeks getting all that data back onto your server. So click on the link to get a free network analysis. We'd be happy to give this to you for free, no obligation. Just to check us out, please click on the subscribe button or give us a thumbs up. And have a great, safe day.